Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. You are with me once again, Hunter Weir. So gompieno ra go lebella molar mass. What is molar mass? The mass of 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. Go ra re molar mass ke mass wa 1 mole wa any substance. Any substance. 1 mole mass wa teng re bitsa re ke molar mass. And the units for molar mass is grams per mole. And here moles of atoms, the relative atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is equal to the mass of 1 mole of that element. Okay, here is an example here. Element, relative atomic mass, molar mass, gram per mole. So hydrogen, 1, relative atomic mass, 1, molar mass, 1 gram. Carbon, 12, molar mass, 12 gram. Sodium, 23. I get relative atomic mass. Molar mass even now, 23. Chlorine, 35.5 grams, even now molar mass. So these you find where in your periodic table. Yeah, you very take on so you born a periodic table. The number of protons and neutron. Hydrogen is 1 proton, high neutron. That's why 1. Me 1 mole I think 1 gram. So yeah, no hana ra clarify gape. I can really 1 mole. It consists of what? This number of particles. Each of these masses contain 1 mole of atoms. That is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. So the atom one. Correct. Okay, guess. So, but each of them contain these. Now has a guess atom because I get one here. One is not like they combined. Okay, element that's a molecule. Yeah, the element that's already atoms. I get yes. So this is how it is, guys. I leveling moles of molecules. I can sort of molecule kite. The relative molecular mass of a compound expressed in grams is equal to the mass of 1 mole of that compound. So substance here, hydrogen, water, butane, ethanoic acid, molecular formula here, relative molecular mass, hydrogen molecule this time around. So the page hydrogen you kopane 1 a di kopana even 2 in the relative molecular mass happy 9 molar mass of that substance. Yeah, so everything is here, and we are saying each of these masses contain 1 mole of molecules. What is 1 mole? 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the power 3 quantities, items, particles. Okay, so it's just a number, remember? Yeah, level and the relationship between moles, mass, and molar mass. Here, guys, re kwadile ha re batla gore re bone routine ya cent. The mass of 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. Once again, the unit then the relationship between mass, number of moles, and molar mass is moles is equal to mass in grams times molar mass in grams per mole. So formula rating ki yanong hana ke kwadile ya mai a ke le bolela gore ke rata ya mai ke sore ke rata mai thata, but ke ra gore ke rata menyane analogy ya teng. yaanong ke a go isupa ha analogy ya teng because kana ya di-mode number e ko godimo thata o kgona go sa itse le gore go buiwa ka gae yaanong ke nna yo ke a ira guys. So re le ra re 1 dozen 1 dozen ya mae ka ke eng ke kwala 1 dozen ke bokae mass a teng ke 600 gram. 1 dozen ya mae ke 600 gram. Okay, ata go le bontsha se gore a tlhaloganye o itse o ireng go thata gore o pale. So ha go ntse ana guys so ba re dozen a ke re formula ke dozen is equal to mass of x. A re mass of x ke bokae ke 300 gram over a mass per gram per dozen a ke 600 gram per what per dozen. So ke go tswa re di-dozen tse di ka itse di-dozen tse di ka itse di-dozen di ka guys a wena ha o lebile ha o kgone go bona gore 300 ke half ga 600 ha o kgone go bona wa kgona ke so go ra gore obvious go ra re mo ke bokae ke 0.5 dozen ha ke 0.5 dozen. So this is how we look at it. Ra re le ka go ntse hela ya so ha re ka re ha ka nna le potso engwe gape re dozen e be re 600 gram over 600 gram per dozen ke tabe ke bona okay 600 gram go mo le gona gore ke 600 gram go ra re ke 1 dozen. Okay, me hanga ta wa go twe ke 1800 ke 1800 gram. Yes, my ya gate ke bokae eggs with this mass be ke o tswa ke dozen tse kae dozen e 1 ke bokae dozen e 1 dozen ke bokae ke 600 gram. Okay, now let me do it. Make it spaces. Okay, I get 1 dozen. I get dozen. I get dozen mass. 1 dozen is 600 gram. 2 dozens is 1,200 gram. So 1,800 gram is how many dozens? So I can cross multiply. How do you cross multiply? Ke tlo go lemoga gore 600 tsena ga raro. So go ra re x is equal to 3 dozens. Ko ra ona re ke kgona go ira ka formula rae, ke kgona go ira kae ka direct proportionality. Gore ha ona le understanding gore go ira galeng botshelo ba go bona mothofu. Okay, so re ta tsaya ye yano yena re bata eng kana go santa re tshwanetse go bona nenyana ga ke relative molecular mass. So re lebella mo go e mo periodic table. So periodic table ke ta check periodic table and sodium ke bokae ke 23. Okay guys, re di kwadile ke tse ha relative atomic mass, relative atomic mass 23 for sodium, 16 for oxygen, 1 for hydrogen. Ha re di kopanya because it's a molecule re bona yone relative molecular mass. So it is in grams ke molar mass, or in grams ke molar mass. So ke a go ira yana ke so go ra gore nka nna ka re ke ire yang ke re 1 ke re mole ma ke re mole mole 1 molar mass for this molecule. 1 mole ke bokae ke 40 gram, 40 gram yana 80 gram yana ke how many moles guys? If you cross multiply you get 2 here, you get 2 if you cross multiply. So our answer I get 2 mole. Me ano a re direng ka tsela e re inetsweng. So formula re ya re moles is equal to mass. Mass ke bokae 80 what gram divided by molar mass, gram per mole ke 40 gram per mole. So what do we do? 40 into 40, 1 into 82, grams cancel grams, answer even now 2 mole. One and the same thing. So re bone answer e tshwana. So this one ga ke re gore le say this one kore ke ra gore o nne le understanding ya gore o ira eng. It can serve as a good check. Okay, a re lebelle number 2. Calculate the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. Nitrogen ke gas ke N2. Mara bona gore relative atomic mass ke bokae ke 14 and ke 14 go ra re ka dipedi ke 14 plus 14 which is 28. I did 28 yana go ra re molar mass ya go nna bokae 28 grams. Okay, yaanong merira yang ga tere ba teng calculate mass. Ga tere calculate mass guys, re calculate mass. Okay, na ke kana re buile ka ile ya mae ya ke batla gore yaanong re tsene mo go yone ya mae kana ke ra gore it's something that you know. I get ska kanya re I'm just making things complicated. We know what we are doing when we are dealing with exactly the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. But anyway, let's do this. I can wheel 1 dozen. Am I? Mass at the 600 gram. I got okay. Calculate the mass of 1 mole. Yeah, no. Re batla go itse gore a ke ra the dozens near yaanong re batla mass a re re yaanong 1.5 dozen ya mae mass wa teng ke bokae guys? Okay, you can use this formula. Ke tsa re mongwe le mongwe a ka kgona go dirisa formula rae meng la house na formula ra go le ngwana e leng gore ngwana la motho le etse formula ra but tabanye ba ka senta wa itse gore go iragala eng with numbers. Okay, tabore 1 dozen gives me 600. Or 0.5 dozen should give me 300. Or the total sensor never 900 gram. So how it is a formula raha, we change the subject of the formula, or 900. Okay, so harta. Okay, with this one, because But let's go here and see 1 mole. Calculate the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. I should have skipped this one, but let's just do it. So what I do is a formula, right? I get mole to 1 mole is equal to mass mass x over molar mass 28 gram. So what do? We multiply both sides by 28 gram times 28 gram. So this cancels out. More gonna be gram per mole. Cancel this. X is equal to 28 gram. Yeah, cover 1 mole. Can see the value in it. That's why I get a skipping, because we have defined molar mass as this actually. How many moles are there in 11 gram of carbon dioxide? C. Okay. Carbon okay. O level mo ba periodic table. Relative atomic mass get 12. Oxygen is 16. So the oxygen is 12 for carbon, then 16 for oxygen. 6, 12, 13, 14 for carry 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 44. Right? Molar mass is 44. So mole, okay. Moles is equal to mass 11 gram divided by molar mass by 44 grams per mole. The gram, they cancel out. So what do we do now? We punch our calculators. 11 divided by 44 is 0.25. 0.25 mole. Answer again is 0.25 mole. Hapo no ka khona go ira ka tsone ratio le yona ntse or 1 mole is equal to 44 gram. Or mass moile moles. Or 11 gram x over cross multiply. So what's hela? Oxygen exists as a gas O2. What are you going to do here? Information in CY here, guys. So I like one the calculation of calculate QI. Then really okay 16. Then 16 times 2 32. Right? 32 yana. The moles is equal to mass in grams. Molar mass 32. 8 gram. 8 gram divided by molar mass. Molar mass is 32 gram. And this is for each and every mole. Yes, alright. These ones they cancel out. 8 divided by 8, 16, 2. Oh, kotara. I look kotara, right? So, 0.25, right? Yes, 0.25. 0.25. So, what our answer is 0.25 mole. So, Q&A. Okay, so ke itse re nngwe e re ka irang ke gone ha 4 moles of hydrogen chloride. So re be re go hile hydrogen chloride. Ra itse re ke 35.5 ye ke 1 chlorine, moles of chlorine. Ke irang yana chlorine in. So guys, I think you can work this out on your own. So these last two are for your practice. Okay, so thank you. Let's meet on the next lesson.